All right, if you're trying to do this, is a super quick tip on how to do this. I'm not going to do the whole headlight on camera, but you want to put your headlight in the oven for 200 at 230 degrees for about 10 minutes. And once you take it out, you want to handle it carefully, especially where it's got the black stuff. This is, of course, assuming that you already removed the 4 screws. There's 1 screw here, 1 screw here, 1 screw here, and there's another screw. So 1, 2, 3, and I forget where the 4th one is. But basically, you're gonna take out those 4 screws, and the method that once you get this gray sealant nice and soft from heating it up, I'm using the screwdriver that I took out the bit and just get it in there, and then you could use a razor tool and you can cut it as you go along. Just make sure that you release these tabs as you go along, and just keep prying your way through and cutting the material away while it's still soft.